Wildfires don't wait, and neither should you. Every year, wildfires destroy thousands of homes across the country. When the flames are gone, the real battle often begins with your insurance company. Without proof of what you owned, many families are left underpaid, underinsured, and forced to start over from scratch. That's why everyone should have a home inventory checklist. And using a simple app like Rivets Claims is the smartest way to protect your family. Rivets Claims Home Inventory makes it incredibly easy. For less than $30, you can professionally document your entire house, room by room, with photos, receipts, serial numbers, and values. When disaster strikes, you'll have a clean, professional PDF report ready to hand to your insurance adjuster. Insurance companies require detailed proof. Without it, most people are underinsured by 40 to 60%. A proper inventory can mean the difference between getting $50,000 or $250,000 plus after a loss. Don't wait until it's too late. Download Rivets Claims today, because when everything is gone, proof is everything.